we started calling it the Ideas Factory because we literally wanted to really pull people's ideas. We're conscious as a charity that we haven't necessarily got all the right answers, but that the people we support have. And so it was asking them their thoughts, their views, their ideas. Could there be ways of doing things differently, better, innovations? The meetings are held every month. It is for people who've got either disabilities or people who've got a lived experience of disability, or people that are interested in supporting those with disabilities.
So we come along to this meeting because we feel that we fly the disability flag.
Each month they pick a certain amount of topics and we tear that topic apart and find out whether there's anything else we can do towards it, or whether that thing will help us out in the longer term.
Yeah. So you've got the sociable aspect of it as well. You're seeing different people with different disabilities. The last meeting, the subject of transport came up, which we tore into.
I'm Norma, and I've been a volunteer for Enrych for some years now. And I like to come to these meetings. It gives us all a chance to discuss issues that are very, very difficult for disabled people, such as accessibility, transport.
We can't fix everything. We can't take on board all the problems that there are facing disabled people and sort them out, but we can provide a platform where they can talk and discuss, and where we can then either signpost or facilitate or involve people from the community who've got specialist knowledge and experience and invite them along. What's been really good is that there are times when a problem is discussed and the solution is actually presented quite quickly.
Why do you think these meetings are important?
Well, because they bring up topics from the sharp end of things. It takes you outside your own particular box, I suppose.
Things like this are worth the weight in gold, really, very informative.
There's a need for it as an end in itself, as a group that continues to discuss and look for solutions to problems facing disabled people. We want to be collaborative. We are involved with local area coordination. We're involved with other groups that come and speak to the group from time to time. We want to listen to our members, and it's not our ideas, but it's their ideas. And so everything we do as a charity, we listen to the views of people we support.